Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I will show you how to add the Capital One shopping extension to Safari on your iPhone. This handy tool finds discounts and applies coupon codes while you shop online. Let's dive right in. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Capital One Shopping in the search bar. Then, download the application. It's free to install. After installing, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down to find Safari. Tap on it, then select Extensions. Now, under Extensions, you should see Capital One Shopping listed. Tap on it to enable the extension in Safari. Now, open Safari and visit any shopping site. Capital One Shopping will automatically help you find coupons and deals. That's it. You're all set to save with Capital One Shopping on Safari. If this guide was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know what deals you scored in the comments. Thanks for watching.